To connect MetaMask to Uniswap, you need to have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency wallets and decentralized exchanges. MetaMask is a popular digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other Ethereum-based tokens. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that enables you to trade these tokens in a secure and transparent manner. First, you need to install the MetaMask extension on your web browser. You can download it from the official MetaMask website. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser and follow the prompts to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Make sure to store your seed phrase in a safe place, as it is the key to accessing your wallet. Next, navigate to the Uniswap website and click on the Connect Wallet button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to select your wallet provider. Choose MetaMask from the list of available options. You will then be asked to confirm the connection request in your MetaMask wallet. Review the request carefully and click on the Connect button to proceed. After connecting your MetaMask wallet to Uniswap, you can start trading your Ethereum-based tokens. Uniswap will display your available balance and allow you to select the token you want to trade. You can then enter the amount you want to swap and review the transaction details. Make sure to check the slippage tolerance and the gas fee before confirming the transaction. It is essential to note that Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, and all transactions are executed on the Ethereum blockchain. This means that you will need to pay a gas fee for each transaction, which can vary depending on the network congestion. To minimize costs, it is recommended to trade during periods of low network activity. In conclusion, connecting MetaMask to Uniswap is a straightforward process that requires a basic understanding of cryptocurrency wallets and decentralized exchanges. By following these steps, you can securely and efficiently trade your Ethereum-based tokens on Uniswap. Always prioritize the security of your wallet and be mindful of the gas fees associated with each transaction.